The blinking blue light on your Eero device serves as a crucial status indicator that communicates what your mesh network system is currently doing. This LED indicator is your primary way of understanding what your Eero system is doing at any given moment, providing real-time feedback about network status and operations. There are several normal scenarios where you'll see a blinking blue light, and understanding these helps you distinguish between normal operation and actual problems. During startup, which typically lasts 30 to 60 seconds, the blue light blinks as your Eero device powers on, connects to your network, and establishes mesh connections with other nodes. Firmware updates also trigger the blinking blue light, as your Eero automatically installs security patches, system updates, and feature improvements to keep your network secure and optimized. Network optimization is another normal cause of blinking blue lights. Eero's True Mesh technology continuously optimizes your network by dynamically routing traffic and automatically steering devices between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for optimal performance. However, not all blinking blue lights indicate normal operation. Certain patterns signal problems that need your attention. Continuous blinking typically indicates network connectivity issues, internet service problems, or ISP connection failures. Rapid blinking usually points to setup configuration errors, hardware interference, or device communication issues. It's important to understand that Eero systems depend on cloud connectivity for full functionality. Any disruption to your internet service can trigger the blinking blue light as the system loses connection to Eero's cloud services that provide remote management, security monitoring, and performance optimization. Understanding these different blinking patterns helps you quickly identify whether your Eero system is operating normally or requires troubleshooting attention. When your Eero shows a blinking blue light, start with the most basic troubleshooting step, power cycling. This simple process resolves about 70% of connectivity issues. The power cycle allows your Eero to refresh its connection and clear any temporary network conflicts. A successful power cycle will show the LED changing from blinking blue to solid white, indicating proper internet connectivity. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, check your physical connections. Ethernet cables can become loose or damaged, and testing different ports can identify connection problems. Pay special attention to the Ethernet cable connecting your Eero to the modem. A loose or damaged cable is a common cause of intermittent connectivity issues that manifest as a blinking blue light. The Eero app provides powerful diagnostic tools that can identify network issues and firmware problems. Run a network test to check your connection status and look for any available updates. The app can detect firmware update issues, which cause 25% of blinking blue light problems. If an update is available or stuck, the app will guide you through the resolution process. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try a network reset. There are two types: a soft reset that preserves your settings, and a factory reset that completely restores default configuration. Always try the soft reset first, as it maintains your network configuration while refreshing the connection. Only use factory reset if the soft reset fails, as you'll need to set up your entire network again through the app. Sometimes the problem isn't with your Eero, but with your internet service provider. Test this by connecting a computer directly to your modem, bypassing the Eero entirely. This direct connection test isolates whether the issue is with your internet service or your Eero device. If you can't get internet through the direct connection, contact your ISP to check for service outages or account issues. Finally, assess your environment for interference. Electronic devices, physical obstacles, and poor placement can all cause connectivity issues that appear as a blinking blue light. Environmental interference causes 12% of mesh network instability. Moving your Eero to a central elevated position away from other electronics can significantly improve connection stability and resolve the blinking blue light issue.